The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope we're ready for a great day. Hey, good morning, Kim. Good morning, Walter. Good to see you. Kim, did you end up having to miss all of last night's stream? Give me 1 second here. Okay, there we go. I hope everything's okay, Kim. Always have to put family first. Okay, now I'm ready to go here. Let's start looking at this trading view screen. We see NQ came up last night, up to 704 for a high. So low was in Asia, 611. So not even, it's just slightly under 100 points of range. It was a slow night trading last night. Did get one win. I'm up a whole $34. But hey, green is better than red. It's better than blue, too. Copper here, you notice I didn't move my yellow lines. Copper up 180 ticks, or 180 ticks of range, not up 180 ticks. Gold, there's gold in them dollar charts. About 21 points of range on gold, Ultra Bond. Also in a positive mood this morning, up over a little over a point in range. Crude oil. After sinking their lows down the 73s yesterday, it rebounded. And now looking like it's trying to get back up to 80. Has about 3.3 points of range today. Last but not least, we have our wonderful natural gas, which doesn't have much of a range today, about 130 ticks. Bitcoin hanging around 16,500. Doge over 10. So that's where we sit or stand. You can see this is if you look at the ES chart here. Last night we spent a lot of time in this area. It finally broke out. You know, to show you how much the market doesn't like me, though. Show how much it likes to play with me. You know, we were stuck in this range here, as you can see, almost all of Asia. And, you know, you can see the win here. You can see where the buy and the sell was. We'll take this out of the way. You see where the buy and sell was. And it was right after this, you know, I took this win and I said, you know what? I don't think anything else is going to happen. We've been slow. We've been stuck in this range all night. So we're going to call the stream. Literally, the minute I called the stream, this breakout started happening. It's like it just waited for me to no longer stream and then, you know, continued upwards. And it continued upwards for a good portion of the night. Pulled back some wildness during Actually, pre-open of Europe. So it's been a pretty wild trading night, it looks like. Now it's probably going to go back in a range because I'm streaming again. So this is us watching ES. Did just miss was a trigger candle there just a few minutes ago. Right before I came on, I was just finishing my last bite of eggs. Would have given us 2 points. Oh, okay. So last night's stream was a nice success. I mean, I only took one trade, but we got like 5 new subscribers last night, which is a pretty big amount for recently. That was partly because I posted it on Earn a Trade. I need to edit. Do some editing stuff here real quick. So we watch the market kind of grind down. Morning, Robin. How are you doing? A nice little move back down here in the market. We'll get rid of these lines. Lines, everywhere there's lines. Yep. And after the holidays, I do plan on starting to do some non-live content as well. Let's see if I can. I think we need some non-live with the live to really drive subs and viewership and uh, all that fun stuff. Oops. There we go. But for now, trying to get some money from the market. See this come down. Let's check what the 5-minute chart looks like. Because again, I'm thinking about trying to move toward a 5. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it would have been a decent trigger on the 5 as well. We'll figure it out eventually. See, this is a very nice move down so far. So nice trend downward here. Also, last night my bot did get a win as well on the Earn a Trade funded account. Now, if I had let it go, it would have went to the full profit target. But unfortunately, I always interfere with it. So I got $104. It would have got $150 if I hadn't interfered. One day I'll stop interfering with it. Just that day was not yesterday. See if anything else is doing anything fun. Excuse me one sec. Hey, Abby? You see gold's been on a grind down and crude's been on a slight grind down. Crude back under 79. Little bounce there on little short-lived bounce there on ES. Copper, slight grind down. Remember, if you are enjoying today's stream, or if you expect to enjoy today's stream, hitting that like button is always appreciated. NQ and ES kind of grind down. Everything's in a down mood right now. Gold and crude. That's not gold and crude. Dow, copper. Agriculture coming down as well. So yeah, definitely a nice trend down here. You can see from that trigger candle, 4.5 points. Nice, 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 nice. Good morning, Chris. How you doing today? How's that back feeling? Does the cold bother it, Chris? NASDAQ pushing down as well. Let's look at NASDAQ on a 5. That's a good trigger there on the 5. UVXYQ. Okay, first of all, I'm not even going to try and figure out how that should be pronounced, but welcome and hello. Is there any noticeable difference between choosing which month contract to trade, aka can I trade back months contracts over front? Back months have a lot less volume. If you can definitely trade, you know, contracts that aren't the current contract if you own your own brokerage account. If you're doing a prop firm, you got to trade the current contract. But there's a lot less volume. Um, like if you look at crude, find crude. What the heck? There we go. Let's go look at crude here a second. Like right here, daily volume on the current crude contract for yesterday is or was 388K. But if we go to CL, um, ah, oops, CL, try that again. Say March, your volume is like 1/3. But I didn't realize it was that high, honestly. But yeah, you're doing like less volume. Chris, that depends on the product. Some are monthly and some are quarterly. The equities, NQ, ES, roll 4 times a year: March, June, September, December. But crude, I think, is either every month or every other month. I kind of just let NinjaTrader and Tradovate tell me, or yeah, NinjaTrader and TradingView tell me. But yeah, I mean, you can if you own your own brokerage account, you can definitely trade the future months. A lot of people do. You know, that's the real speculator. But usually, that's also a trade that not really a day trade. Most people do that if they want to hold the trade for a longer period of time. Oh, we had a bounce there. 'Cause that we had a fall and then a bounce. We fell 7 points, bounced right back up. Yeah, and it will also usually tell you if you need to roll if if you close out Ninja and bring it back up. The equity rules are coming up. I think it's next week. Now I see a big bounce there, and that is technically a trigger candle. I don't like it there. You see it coming down, but we're gonna get ready just in case I do start to like it. Morning, Dakota. How you doing? UVXYQ, did that answer your question, or do you have any further questions beyond that? So yeah, up, down, up possibly here. Let's watch to see if this re-breaks the EMA. It's in the game. Oh, big move there. Nice little up, down, up. back a bit. See, we get filled here. Yep. This is why I shouldn't use limit orders. See, that's exactly why I don't use limit orders. Just went without me. No, the big top step announcement never happened, and they haven't answered my last email. Yeah, I'm very frustrated with Top Step. You know, they told me it was supposed to happen in August, and it kept getting pushed back. And then Michael Patak, in an interview on Discord, said that it could be end of year. And I sent a message into the guy I've been communicating. He's like, he's just being cautious. It'll be out by the end of October. It's just been one, push down the road. And then that Casey stopped responding to me, so I don't know what's up. And honestly, with the changes Apex has now made, there's no way Top Step's getting back to #1. I mean, what the big announcement is will get their attention, but if they're not willing to come off their high prices, I don't think it's going to move the bar that much, even though it is a definite game changer, but probably not not enough anymore. That now that they've waited so long, where once again Apex got ahead of them. Nothing in the Apex. I mean, no one else is doing this for the most part, but what they plan on announcing, but it's still, in my opinion, they've dragged their feet too long. Hey, baby fish. Next treasure, Walter, I believe yesterday people said they were already rolling to the new contract. So people were already rolling yesterday, and yesterday the old contract and new contract on the treasuries were getting about equal volume, so you could probably safely roll if you want. You're welcome, Walter. Musk is a juvenile. Yeah, and you know the main reason he started wanting to buy Twitter was because there was an account on Twitter that was tracking his private plane. Bro, let's not get into politics. Why did my thing just disappear? Oh, there we go. Good morning, JC. But yeah, I kind of hope Musk ends up having to sell at a loss. I don't want Twitter to die. I like Twitter. It's my favorite social media. I definitely don't want it to die, but I hope he ends up having to sell out to somebody else at a loss. We are near the top of the hour here. Couple minutes. Yep. And me trying to do a limit order there, just I would have had a win. Well, I don't do limit orders. Yeah, normally I do too. I would try here and there on ES because ES is a little bit thicker, but did not work. Yeah, babyfish. I've been telling people that as well. That heck, there's a lot of retail traders that the successful ones that pack up before like that Friday before Thanksgiving and don't come back until after Christmas, after the New Year. So yeah, we're definitely gonna be dealing with lighter volume. Oh, what news do we have today? I forgot to check the news. News. Oh, well, in a minute we have German CPI. So you might want to be careful with that. At 8:30 we have Canadian GDP. At 10 we have U.S. consumer confidence. That's a biggie. And U.S. house price index. Remember on Friday we have non-farm payrolls. So less than 30 seconds until German CPI. I thought they did that earlier in the day, but apparently not. Gosh darn Germans. You see it move down there. Not much, but let's see if it continues. See if German HICP year over year. I'm not even sure HICP is, but anyway, actual 11.3, which was the forecast. German CPI actual 10%, forecast was 10.4, so that was Better number than expected. German CPI month over month, negative 0.5. Expected was negative 0.2. Now, also at 9 o'clock, we have something called U.S. Case. Wait, is that tomorrow? That is today, yeah. So, also, yeah, at 9 o'clock, we have something called U.S. Case Shiller 20. I got no clue what that is. Someone want to tell me what U.S. Case Shiller is? I mean, I can Google. All right. Okay. Thank you, Fish. All right. So yeah, lots of news this morning, and I think we have lots of news again tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow we have U.S. GDP and PCE. Are you down with PCE? Yeah, you know me. Retail and wholesale inventories. Chicago PMI. Okay, why did that just scroll? Here, trying to look. A bunch of Fed speakers tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow's gonna be fun, isn't it? Fun as heck. We have a bunch of PMIs, US S&P PMI, ISM PMI, blah, blah, blah. Construction spending. Holy crap. Lots of news tomorrow. No, I'm sorry. That's not tomorrow. I ran into December 1st. Sorry. That was Wednesday, not tomorrow. No, Thursday. Sorry. I don't know. I screwed it all up now. But lots of news this week. That's why I don't try and read. No, Kim, he means like crude oil, gold, treasuries, things other than ES and NQ. Maybe look into a little, I don't know, lean hogs. No. You're very welcome, Kim. That's why we're here. Soybeans. There's our soybean chart for the day. It's going to move up, pull back, kind of winding around. Soy, horrible for your health, but possibly great for your checkbook. All right. Ultra bond market or treasuries markets open in 15 minutes, and we have JC taking along here at 138.06. Keep an eye on that. And I gotta get all my charts like to be equal to one another. Yeah, I haven't taken a trade in crude in a long time. I've been trying to take some time to chart it out, but sorry, JC. You'll get the next one. Is that your first trade of the day, JC, or have you already been? I know you start earlier than the stream starts usually. A big move down here on everything. Uh, Point and a half on ES. So again, this is another trigger candle, and I'm not sure why I didn't take it. I think because I was pontificating on lean hogs. Um, but yeah, this would have been another 2 points. So look at this, 2, 2, 2. I could have gotten 2, 2, 2. Actually, no, this one doesn't count. That trigger candle happened while I was eating my last bite of eggs. And Q down. Everything's kind of reddish at the moment. Not radish. I don't like radishes. I figured, JC. Those gosh dirty Europeans should keep it to their times. No, I'm kidding. You can see we're dropping. Dropping like it's hot. Dropping like it's hot. I need to start coming up with some Christmas songs that match the price action. Yeah, I don't. I the only way I could start at 4:05 is if I stayed up. I'm not a morning person. The fact that I get up every day and haven't missed a day uh, in over a year has been amazing. Haven't overslept at all. Nice job, Chris. Morning, Matt. How's Matt today? Yeah, I'll be very happy to let my bot start trading those hours eventually, or I don't have to be awake for it. I go to bed about 1 a.m. I get about 5 hours sleep a night, and then in the weekends I get like 11 hours. Still coming down. So I was an idiot for missing this trigger candle. We're falling. See if we get past this resist support here, 39.75. 39.75 last night was a big area. Oh, wow, we just blew through it. Wow. Those European guys are saying something market don't like. So it dipped all the way down to 39.71 there. Which you can see is actually low a day. Wow. No, it's not. I apologize. I got thrown off by that purple line. It's not low a day. I apologize. Low a day on ES is 39.69. NQ. See this hourly candle down about 30 points. Its low a day is 611. That's 644. Ultra Bond, big fall as well. And its market hasn't even opened yet. That's a huge move there for this time of day on the Ultra Bond. Everything is red. Gold down, crude down. Copper down. Everything red. Yep. Not going to get them all, Chris. You got a good amount. You just made in a couple minutes what people struggle to make in a week. You can see from that last trigger candle that I didn't take, it's gone 10 points. Trigger candles earned their purples. Gotta give them their purples. That was new low a day. 39.68. Market in a free fall. Free falling. Maybe a bounce here. Looks like a bounce candle, doesn't it? Bounce back up there. Got down to 39.68. Bounced back up to 39.70. A 4-point bounce. Crude leveling out. Gold still heading down. ES back to red. Yep, we throw out a lot of, big numbers here. Obviously, this candle Nasdaq here, 25-point candle, it's $500 if you were in that. We've got to remember that, for most of us, you know, that's it's all we really need to live. I mean, for me, it is anyway. I mean, obviously, I want big money eventually, mainly because I want to help others. But I mean, if I can get $100 to $200 a day, I'll be able to live comfortably. Let's say 200 because of taxes and all that stuff. So, but $1,000 a week for me would be more than I've ever made in a year. Over a year's time. But I mean, obviously, like I said, I want more than that. You know, we have the ability to change our lives just on one trade a day, really, as long as you pick the right trade. And once you get good at picking those right trades, then you pick good other trades, or you size up on the right trades, and you could start really, living whatever your dreams are, or helping other people, etc. That's why I've kind of focused, more on instead of. I mean, yeah, it'd be awesome to catch big runners all the time where you get, $1,000 as a trade or whatever. So it's kind of now market's taking a breath here, pop back up. But I'm more interested now in getting accounts to, the funded level, and then, you know, letting them slowly build, especially with the bot, and then keep adding accounts, let the bot keep doing its thing. If I can get $100 a day from the bot, or let's say $200 average a day from the bot, and I can do that over 30 accounts. That's $6,000 a day. And like I said, there's approximately of the 12 um, prop firms I trust. You can have approximately 80 accounts total among over the 12. So getting getting a big 50 or 100 point move would be awesome, but just need a few good quick moves to continue to build the account on a daily basis. Uh, JC, maybe something got screwed up with them changing it from 10 to 7 and all that. Remember, Apex announced a bunch of changes yesterday. You only need 7 trading days on evaluations. You now get 100% of your first 25K. Can get 2 payouts a month now, as long as you have 10 days traded in between your last payout and next payout request. CFT did a good video on all the changes. 6E. I have that chart here somewhere. There it is. No, 6E. That's 6E. Must not be on the right. I must either not be on the right contract or something. Oh wait, 03. Okay, never mind. I see it. 038. Okay, I got you. Good luck on that. We can watch that. Ooh, nice bounce there on the Ultra Bond, big time. So Ultra Bond bottomed out at 137.12 and popped back up, and on that opening candle, because the market just opened, it came up 8 ticks on its own, but 137.12 up to 138.04, so about 3/4 of a point. Morning, Sheriff. How you been? Oh, yep. That's a trigger candle on ES. Nope. Trigger run it. Well, it was there and it's taking along here. We're at 39.75.5. It's been a widely traded level last night. Let's see if we can get a move up. Glad to hear that, Sheriff. Back down to break even. We were up 2 ticks. At 8:30, we have Canadian GDP. Yep, dipping down on me here. Yep. Popping back up. Hey, G-Man, good morning. Struggling to get above 39.76. As I say that, it gets above 39.76, but pushes back. My target was 2 points, so 39.77.5. We'll try to be patient, but if it keeps struggling, I'll kill the trade. Yep, now we're back down. Down 3 ticks. Back to break even. It's technically triggered me back down. I probably should get out. Wait, let's see what it does. Out. So this ended up being a noper. Unless it bounces for me here. Yeah, give me that green. Nice, Chris. Hey, there we go. Only down 2 ticks now. And back to 5 ticks. Kind of rangy here. We'd just gonna hold it. See what Canadian. See if the Canadian GDP gives us any. Maybe I would give us a nice boost up. About 30 seconds. Down 2 points right now. 3 point stop. It's about ready to stop me out here right before the news. Let's see what happens here. Green. Give me some green. Well, so far the Canadians aren't giving me any boosting. Oh, there we go. Canadian GDP quarter over quarter, actual 2.9. The forecast was 1.5. That's a pretty big beat. But didn't really move the market any. Here we go. It's getting beaten back down. Stopped out.
Bah! Humbug!
Down 121 on the day now. Hey, Chaco. Nice job, Fish. Alter bond fading there. So once I should have got out once both of these once this turned purple along with the blue. Obviously I should have got out once it gave me a trigger candle short right there. Should have reversed the position and gotten. I could have got 2 points. I was just stubborn and to stay in. That was stupid of me. I got something I definitely need to get better at. I was gonna say, Fish. I didn't remember you really talking much about you trading treasuries. Chaco, yeah, I am. I'm on an ETF eval. Excellent job, Dakota. Nice seeing that again. Chaco ETF did a $25 25K account. I want to say, I think it was on Thanksgiving. So I grabbed that. Main reason I'm not on Apex, or I prefer doing for the stream. I prefer doing Tradovate, Trading View, so I could show my trades on stream easier without having to bring up a NinjaTrader chart. So for streaming, I'm gonna try and stick to companies that have Tradovate. Good. I've looked at Jigsaw and I can't do dom trading. I mean, if I spent the hours on it, I probably could, but it just another pop up there. I don't want to take that. It's probably the one that's going to end up running on me, but The overall trend is downish, so yeah, I took a long here, didn't work. This one's probably gonna work. Yep, back down to not really go far. There's a trigger back down. Looking like we're a bit choppy. Gold popped up a little bit, came back down. Crude. Trying to come back up. Copper, downish. Ultra bonds, trying to get back down. Thank you for that, Matt. Oh yeah, that's true, babyfish. Although, certain tools, some people like certain tools and get more comfortable with them, and it can make them more comfortable in their trading. But yeah, there's no tool out there that's gonna just suddenly make you a successful trader. Ooh, big move there. ES trying to fall back down. You see it got down to 39.68 on this candle before whooshing back up. I really, I said this looked like a reversal candle, and if I had taken the trade there instead of there, it would have been much better. Yeah, it's a lot of good moves by Apex. Definitely interesting, the changes they keep making. And speaking of Apex, our good friend Greg, who runs the Weenie Trades channel here on YouTube, uh, normally live streaming. He's off this week, but on Friday, December 16th at 11 a.m. Eastern, he will be doing a live interview with Daryl Martin, founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding. He'll be doing that live on his channel, so that'll be right as my stream gets done that day, so I'll be heading over there to support Greg. And if anyone wants to hear what Daryl Martin has to say about his trading and about whatever else they decide to talk about, you should head over to Greg's channel as well. I may pick up one from my bot. So this was another trigger candle down. I said I was not going to take the trigger candle up. I should have taken it back down. You can see now that went another good 2 points. So far the one candle I did take, the one trigger I did take ended up being the loser. All the downsides have been working in it, so now we're going to focus on the downsides. Thank you for that, Chris. I always thought Red Book was the quintessential magazine for women. You see ES continuing its hover right here at 39.68. Uh, Good morning, Justin. I had one trade in Asia for 37 bucks. One trade this morning and I lost 150. So overall, we're down 121 on the day. We're playing how fast can I blow this account? But the bot up is did $104 last night on the earn a trade funded account. So there's that. Nice little pop back up. Another good call by G-Man there. Good morning, Speed Racer. We came back down, popped back up. See what it does here. We do have news again, that Red Book thing. I know Red Book doesn't really move the market much, I've noticed. But that's happening in 8 minutes, and then we have more news at the top of the hour. Market's kind of taking a little bit of a breath here. Leveling out just a tad. Just a tad, Navans. One more day left in November. We start December to March till Christmas. Are we all ready to be dashing through the snow? Right back down there. In 1 minute. Down to 39.67 here. And Q trying to get to its low day. You see it's down 57 points on this hourly candle. Hourly candle closes in about 8 minutes. Low day 611. It's at 618. I think we established that ES is at its low day. Yes, yes it is. New low day on ES was 39.66. Find it, folks. If you're enjoying today's broadcast, I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. I don't know why I started calling it a broadcast. It's a stream. Islands in the stream. Little bouncy bounce. Everyone got really quiet. Boop, 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 boop. Good morning, Ace. Welcome. Glad to hear that. I hope you were in proper attire for that as well. Thank you, JC. There you be down. Get back down to that level that it dipped to earlier. Yeah, Red Book can't. I tell you, Red Book doesn't usually do much. I mean, they had a little pop on ES, about 5 ticks. One day I'll start tracking that, what the different news events do. Now we have Case Shiller coming up in 2 minutes. And U.S. House Price Index. And in an hour, U.S. Consumer Confidence. Auto news. There, nice little pop up there. Oh, hold on a minute. Sorry about that. So there's a trigger candle up there. The up trigger candles have not worked well, so hesitating on that. Looks like I should have taken that trigger candle, 69. Yep, that would have got me my 2. So figures, these last 2 did not work. This one. That one did. Top of the hour right now. There's the Case Shiller. Crude oil also opening here. You see market continuing green on ES and then Q. Big move down there on crude. 28 ticks, 30 ticks. A little bit of a pullback there now. Good luck on that, JC. Yeah, looks like a reversal there on the Ultra Bond. Oh, wow. Look at crude now. Down 55 ticks. Big fall. Expect a bounce here on the next candle, though. In my opinion. Let's see if it bounces. Yep, there's a bit of a bounce. Not as much as I expected. Down 61 ticks on that opening candle for crude oil. Back up by 20 ticks. So I said that was going to bounce, and I was right. I don't even have a chart up ready to play crude. Tonight, CBS, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer is on. Maybe tomorrow, in honor of it, we'll have to trade some silver and gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold decorations on every Christmas tree. Hey, Dave. Welcome. Gold's popping up. Crude trying to get back that entire candle. So I was right about that bounce. Hate it when I don't play something I'm right about, but yay. In QUC, nice move up. Nice move up there. Very nice move. So, this would have worked, this trigger, obviously. But the last two triggers up didn't. So that's what it's so hard to tell when they're going to work and when they're not. When you're in an overall, we're in an overall downtrend. Ultra Bond is just sitting right on JC's entry. We're now about 25 minutes from the bell. What, the yellow line and the white line? No. The yellow, I'm playing with that yellow line. I've noticed certain things about it in the yellow purple line, I should say. You know, like here, if I had gotten in on this candle after that line had turned yellow instead of where I did, I actually would have got a win out of that. It's something I'm playing with, but I don't look for crossovers between that and the EMA. It's like here, it's turned yellow. This actually, this would have been the perfect trigger candle. Everything fell in line. But I got spooked by that. So my 5 minute looks like 5. This would have been a great trigger on the 5. Could have caught that big move down right there. And then down the downside, you can see here we broke this Bollinger Band on the RSI, which could have told me to reverse for that move. Eventually, I will find something I can use that can, give me better entries. Guys, I'm back. So it's back up to 39.74. I looked at the information I posted in the Discord a few weeks ago. Maybe? Lucky I remember yesterday. um, I think I know what you're talking about, and I don't think I did, but I can definitely take a look at it later today. That said, if you could send that to me on a private message, so I don't have to go digging for it. If you can, if it's easy for you to access. I appreciate that. So the market may have liked the case shiller news. I want to know why it's called that. U.S. case shiller 10.4%, expected was 10.5%. U.S. house price index month over month positive 0.1%. They expected negative 1.2%. Uh, yeah, nice little move there on the Ultra Bond. Easy for me to say. Copper breaking down. Must be rusting. Nice move up on the Dow there. Speaking of Dow, I haven't seen RJ yet. Pull back there on Ultra Bond. ES also pulling back. Yeah, it can get nerve-wracking when you hold a trade long term. So the hardest part about using the bot is just letting it go. That trade that I ended up closing it early last night, but it was in there for 3 hours. It's trying to push up again here. 39.76 was that resistance where I couldn't get above when I was in that trade earlier and got stopped out. Ouch, JC. Big move there. I see that big move down. Sorry, man. About 15 minutes to the bell. Good job, Dakota. We're kind of choppy right now here in ES. Wow, Ultra Bond really falling fast there. Not afraid of falling, but I can't get off the ground. Ultra Bond here. I don't even know if that's the right setting on that EMA. It is. Wow, so we were in a downtrend on the Ultra Bond on the 5-minute here since just after 7. That's quite the fall. Oh, there's a trigger on ES. Taking a short here. Stops at the high of that move. See if we can get the bands to bend here. Nope, bouncing off the bands. Come on. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, one more tick. There we go. Target hit. That was a winner. $100. Oh, 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 oh. So now on the day, I am only down $25. Much better. Much better. So that sugar candle earned its purple. And you can see here that the last four have, I mean, this one here didn't, so I should not say that. But, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. So by taking them all since the beginning of the morning, not including the one that fired when I was still eating my last bite of eggs, be 6 wins and 2 losses. Thank you, JC. Only went one more tick and then it's bouncing. I usually don't take trades, with that close to the bell either. We still got 10 minutes, but something that's told me, and also Chris's talk about 9:15 and 9:18 reversals also. Yep, there are still Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales rolling out. Rolling around, not rolling out, but rolling around. Earn the Trades is good until November 30th. Bowling Up is good till November 30th. Apex till December 5th, I believe now. Not sure there's any others. Morning, Crypticon. Still head down. Morning, RJ. Remember, RJ, we need to trade silver and gold tomorrow because Rudolph's on the night. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Popping up here before the bell. Back up to 39.71. One win, one loss on the day. No, 2 wins, 1 loss on the day. Unfortunately, the 2 wins did not equal the 1 loss, so we're down $25. The one of the wins was actually last night during the Asia session. Kind of watching and waiting. Ace disappeared. Usually right now he says he's gotten his 2 points. Okay, just be careful of those constantly trailing drawdowns there, Crypticon. Remember that. Have a good day, JC. See you tomorrow. Sorry about your bad day today. Ooh, ES drops 3.5 points here. Several minutes before the bell. And Q dropping down as well. Ultraviolet continuing to move down. Another move down. That was a trigger candle. I'm not taking it that close to the bell. You know, we are less than a minute from the bell, but I could have gotten a little something out of it. A little something, something. But we'll see what happens here with the bell popping up right before the bell. So big move down, big move back up. And by big, I mean 2 points, but, you know. Yep, being beaten right back down here. 20 seconds until silver bells. Silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ding, 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 ding. That was a little early on my dings. Yeah, let's go to a 5-minute chart actually, and we'll watch NQ and ES together here. So far, not moving real fast. Oh, there we go. Now we're moving down. NQ down 15. ES down 2.5. Still just kind of not, I mean, not big moves here. Down 13 points. Down 4 points on ES. NQ has made a new low a day. ES continues to make a new low a day. It's been making lows a days. But NQ, you can see, finally got below this level over here. Now, next key level for NQ is that candle right before it closed yesterday, 575. I could do that. Down the stretch they come. So, I mean, this was not an explosive open, at least not yet. Hey, G-Man, there you are. Nice. Very nice there, G-Man. Yeah, we got a bounce there. Bouncing back up. NQ did hit below 600, got down to 11,598, but now it's pretty much a doji candle here on this 5-minute. We have a minute and 20 seconds to go on the 5-minute. Crude oil making a nice move up. Trying to get back up to 79 gold with a spike. So on this 5-minute candle, we're red slightly on NQ or green slightly on ES. There we go. So in the last minute here, like right before, we got a big move. Ended up being up four and a half on ES. NQ finished down two and a half, which is like almost nothing for NQ. Now it's dipping again. We'll go back to our 1-minute chart on ES and see if we can find something to trade. That would have been a great trigger candle, obviously, there. Trade. This would have been a good trigger right there. Give it its purple. Oops. Technically, that would have been a bad trigger candle. So almost any of the up candles, except for that one, would have been bad today. And now this one would have been good as well. But we've given way right back down. Wow. Strong candle down, bearish engulfing. Kind of whipsawing. I don't like it. So yeah, this isn't a fun looking chart right now, but up, down, left, right, AB start. Be nice if they gave you 30 resets. Kind of watching here. I'm not jumping into anything. It's got to get some clarity first. Clarity. So Crypticon, have you passed your that one eval now? Gold's popping up. That was a nice trigger there. Crude, well above 79 now. NQ dipped and ripped. Not really ripped. It didn't really rip. Dow, that was an interesting pull down there. Natural gas moving up. Ultra buying bounced a little bit. Sure, how I got volume bars down there. I usually remove the volume from my charts. There we go. ES trying to push up. I know the feeling. I try to do push-ups too, and it just doesn't work. Just kidding. I haven't done a push-up in years. See, it goes up and then right back down. There's a move, but this is ugly choppiness right here. Ugly, ugly choppy. Ooh, man, there we go. There we got to move down. Our low, 39.6475. It just burst through there. Big move down. Remember, we have big news coming in 15 minutes. Consumer confidence report. That's at the top of the hour, so be wary of that if you're in any trades. Nice bounce there. Oops. Ooh, hit that third band. Nice bounce off that third band. Don't keep the bands on my screen as much anymore because of the way you can see the chart looks much better without them. But they can come in handy at times. Yes, you did, Chris. Watching this. No bounce really yet. So that ended up being the good trigger candle, but how would I have known that when all these others are doing this stupid crap? To put it frankly. That's where the struggle is real. I mean, this one here is technically a trigger candle, but it stayed above the moving average on the RSI. Then we bounced back up. That was technically a trigger candle. And actually, it would have worked. You know what? That would have given us 2 points. Wow. So that would have been good. We could have avoided the one down by looking at that. Then we got another one down, and again, staying above there. This one back up. This one would not have worked. Well, maybe actually. 31.75. It would have been exactly 2 points, so with slippage it probably would not have worked. And then this one would have worked. But again, that one really wasn't below the yellow line there, so that would have been tough. And staying out was probably the best idea. Best idea. Nice job, Chris. And Chris, that was on your Bowen Ox that you're up? Ah, you profit. Hard to keep track. You see, that's a reversal looking candle there. Let's see if it comes back down. Gotta be quick though. That formed real quick. I wasn't really paying attention to it. It didn't really come down that much either. Bitcoin's heading up. Green hogs are sideways. You always hate sideways hogs. Oops. Yeah, everything's gotten more difficult with Apex getting their own server. I kind of forgot about that when I was thinking about. I was thinking about picking up an Apex, but don't know. I want to go through all that hassle. There's a box. You mean? Wait, what bell? You mean the close? Oh. Um. Yeah. So you mean like you want to do a swing trade type of thing instead of a day trade? There's only two that I know of. Earn a Trade has the Gauntlet, and Top Step has their Swing Combine. Top Step Swing Combine though, you're limited to 5 micros. Give me a second. I'll give you a direct link to that Zavok. Because it's hard to find. They actually hide it on their site. Not quite sure why. There we go. Copy link. Copy link. There we go. It's actually it's not expensive. It's only 110 bucks. There you go. Yes, that is an affiliate link. Yeah, it's slowed down. We're kind of choppy. Choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy. Yeah, Chris, he's on both. He's on Apex's server. But I don't know how any of that works, so if I do decide to get to an Apex account, he's going to have to teach me. There we go. There's a move there, RJ. Down to 39.61. We have news in 5 minutes, guys. It dropped out and then popped right back up, RJ. Make sure you bring enough coffee back for everybody. Matt LaRocco used to be in charge of the coffee. I don't know. I know with when I asked Top Step about their restrictions with micros and all that, they said, when they built their platform, micros didn't even exist and all this other stuff. And I don't know. As for 10K accounts, I don't know. I don't know why. I mean, you would think that they would and could, but maybe it's not a priority because it's less chance of a blown account. Morning, chef. So, consumer confidence in just a couple minutes. That one usually does move the market. Did I miss something? Probably did. Wait, what happened, chef? Aw, man, chef. Pop in here a bit, Chris. Technically a trigger candle. I'm not taking anything this close to news. Do I have a DR and a trade link? Sure. For the gauntlet? Yeah, Give me a minute. Let's watch this news, how this news reacts, and then I'll get it for you as a buck. The Earn a Trade Gauntlet is very expensive, if I remember right. And it's a 60-day eval. There's our news. Consumer confidence 100.2. They expected 100. So a small beat. Market kind of likes it though, up about 3 points. There we go. 5. NQ boosting up about 22. Up to 70. Nice job, Chris. That's the buck. Here's the gauntlet link. That's not my affiliate link. So if you decide to go with the gauntlet, let me know and I'll get you the affiliate link if you wouldn't mind using it. Right now, that's a $204 because of the 50% off. That's a $214.50 eval. Seems expensive. Nice bounce there. Back down. Yeah, Matt, if I pick up an Apex account, you're gonna have to teach me. Matt's gonna end up needing to do a webinar on how to do this. So yes, nice bounce there off the top of the bands down. So we had a news pop and it gave it all back. I was kidding there, Crypticon. I don't think Matt wants to do a webinar. I mean, if you wanted to, you could just record a video and I could upload it to my YouTube channel as well. But I don't think Matt wants. I didn't mean to volunteer Matt for anything. I was joking around. So nice little bounce, or trying to bounce here. So apparently this is Matt showing us how to use Apex, or I hope. Yeah, there we go. He's showing us. So yeah, for you our Trader Apex people, check out that video that Matt just posted there. I will say this, well, maybe a pain for the Apex people to go this little extra mile. We've had a lot less rhythmic problems on other firms like Earn to Trade and such since Apex got off the regular paper trading server. I can't even remember the last time we've had a rhythmic outage. Big boost here. Look at that. 4 points. And Q up 10. Yeah, they're not good stuff like that. Apex really needs some help in that whole area. Maybe you should apply for a job with them, man. They obviously have the money. Zabak, yeah, I actually, I asked somebody that's with one of the firms that doesn't have Tradovate yet, and they say it's all NinjaTrader's side, and it doesn't even look like I thought for sure every firm was going to have Tradovate by the end of the year, and they said it's not even on the agenda for January. So Ninja's going to own Tradovate for a full year before we actually see Tradovate rolling out to these other firms. That said, my bot would not work on Tradovate, so I'm happy with Ninja for the bot. At least until Matt learns how to code in Tradovate. Excuse me a second. I'm back. Yeah, the firms want to, Zabak. It's not. The firms are all trying to get Tradovate. It's Ninja that's holding everything up. Remember, Ninja bought Tradovate last year, and that's why I thought every firm would be getting Tradovate, but apparently it's Ninja that's holding it all up. Yeah, I was thinking that too. That is a concern. So ES popped up like that, kind of fading back down. Ultrabond finally found some footing upwards. Gold's made a nice move up, little dip, but back up. Oh, Apex is currently having rhythmic issues. Nice. Actually, thank Matt. Matt is the one that brought it up. I just said it out loud. Yep, and dropped right back down. Hey, it looks like a little house. Don't like this price action at all. So it ended up being a decent trigger candle, as long as you had enough stop. As we come right back down. Apex should soon be spamming everyone with multiple emails about the issue. Little bounce there. Market's really kind of tired, it seems like. Someone wake it. Oh, natural gas moving up nicely. Yeah. We'll talk to Daryl Martin about that. There's another trigger candle back up. I'm not trusting this price action, but I probably could. Yes. Baby fish. Apex is down. Well, remember, you can all chime in. Daryl Martin will be doing a live interview with Greg from Weenie Trades December 16th at 11 a.m. Well, I plan on, as soon as my stream stops, going over there and supporting Greg with that live interview with Daryl Martin, founder and owner of Apex Trader Funding. Maybe all these new accounts has blown out their new server as well. Wow, big move up here. So, yep, that was a good trigger candle, and I guess I gotta start not falling asleep, not literally, but taking these trades because these would have been good, and I mean this choppiness is choppy. Yeah, that made a lot of sense, but they would have actually there's some good trades to be had in that choppiness. Pulling back a little bit. About 40 minutes left on the stream. Hopefully, I would love to get another another trade to get green on the day, but won't force it. I think it's more of a rhythmic issue as usual, although it does not seem to be affecting any other server besides the Apex that I'm aware of. Yeah, it seems like it's only people that weren't already connected that it's affecting. No idea how any of that stuff works, so I won't even try to guess. As you see, the market continues to move up here. So again, I'm just getting caught in not really taking trades, and I need to start taking more trades. Most of these sugar candles would have worked. I've just been hesitant. I need to stop the hesitancy. Someone at Rhythmic probably accidentally unplugged it. What does this wire do? Pulling back a bit here. Kind of watching ES do what it's doing. Do what it wants to do. In living color. Bit of a pullback. I think we're done with news now this morning. Oh, big move. And right back down. And Q the same. Popped up by 12 points on that candle and then get back to green. I mean, back to red. Possible reversal candle there. Anything else doing anything fun? Ain't no fun. Crude oil back above 79. Gold all the way up to 1769. You can see how far the Ultra Bond fell. Market's going up and down, Ace. And a little bit sideways. Where were you, Ace? Yep, it's pretty shocking. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Ace. Hope they get better soon. Yep. Chris says Apex is up. Everyone should check their Apexes. That was a weird sounding statement. Ace, do you currently smell like throw up? Is that why you said that? Do you have a kid vomiting? Back to 39.75. This is a big area last evening. Spent a lot of time in this area on the Asia session last night. But pushing up through now to 39.77. I want to thank everyone that's hit that like button. It's up to 23 today. Yep, heading up to 39.79. I mean, that's a there. It's showing you what it is with commissions there, Chris. They just hit 39.81. NQ up to 11,638, but pulling right back. So that, now I said this could be a reversal candle. That obviously proved me wrong. Let's see if that ends up being a reversal. You're saying that your 521.52 is a weird number, isn't it just showing you what the number is with commission? So that's why it's not an even number? Taking a short here. Got in later than I wanted to, though. Might be stupid. But I think we're coming down. I think that was a reversal candle. I waited for one red candle. Let's see. Yep, it's fighting it. Nope. Minute 39.78. Yep. I start getting memory fog if I'm eating too many carbs. There we go. Hear probably cat yelling at me to scratch his back. It's fighting me here, not giving me what I want. Just tell me what you want, what you really, really want. There we go. Maybe, nope. Still bouncy here. Okay, second confirmation that Apex is back up. Ah, bouncing. Should have took the 3 points, or 3 ticks, I mean. Oh, maybe not. And my cat has decided to join me as I'm in this trade. Up 5 ticks, up 6 ticks. There we go, target hit. Okay, maybe you're a good luck charm. Target hit, and we're green on the day. Oh, 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 oh. We are green by 70. 70 bucks. I can't edit the P&L because he's in my way. Oh, there we go. So there we go. We're green on the day. Excellent job, Justin. Ace. Down. Might even send another trigger candle, but I got my 2. I just, I felt like this was a reversal candle here. This is why I ended this trade. I felt like this was a reversal candle. And I waited for one red candle for confirmation. So I jumped in here. And we went down slowly, but we went down. Now, I had said that this looked like a reversal candle earlier, but obviously that didn't work. And again, here I waited for an additional, red candle. There was no additional red candle here, which is why I didn't take that one, but I did take this one. And that ended up working very well for me. You can see NQ did the same. This was NQ, same type of candle. We could have waited there and followed that down. Ah, wow. Could have followed that down for 15 points. That could have been 300 versus 100. But that's okay. That's okay. Stick with ES. Stick with ES. So it's definitely a nice reversal in the day. By the way, someone asked earlier about this other moving average I'm using here. One of the ways I hope to use it eventually is to maybe stay in a position longer. You can see here, following that yellow line, it really didn't dip. So maybe staying in a position longer. You can see that went up about 14 points. Or setting a target. Say I set a target of 6 points. Get it. See how it dips there and then comes back and then back up through it. And then we could have got another win off of that. That's another way of thinking about using it. Hey John, how you doing? I'm doing all right. So we're about 18 minutes left to go on the stream. Yeah, tried to pop up and back down. That's a trigger candle. The bot ran last night, got 104 bucks. If I let it go, it would have got 150. And it's set to run between 3 and 4 today. We've noticed that the best times are to run it Asia and then just 1 hour in the afternoon. Back in this 35.75 area, it keeps coming back here. Gonna take a short, see if we can get back the amount that I just got. At 39.75.25. There we go. So ah. Yep, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna end it. Maybe not. Well, let's see. Let's see what this does. Very jumpy in this area. Down 2 ticks. Yep. So the trigger candle failed me. So we're going to end up red on the day if this stops out, obviously. And wow, came within a tick. Well, I like that. Come on, push it down further. Yep. Yep. No luck. Stopped out. So we'll end our day down 84 bucks. And let me guess, it's going to stop me out to the tick and come down. Watch this. Thought about increasing the stop there. We'll see. See, once again, I probably should have reversed. This is a trigger candle back up. I don't like taking trigger candles though. The moving long trigger candles, the moving average is underneath the RSI is moving average, but this would have given me the 2 points back up that I was looking for. So I should have got out and reversed. Did not earn its purple. And that's the second time today. If I had reversed the trade, I would have gotten a winner. Every time I get out of a trade early, I always tell myself that, I'm just, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, nice move up. Okay, guys, be careful. I'm reading the earn to trade server, and sounds like rhythmic issues might be affecting more than just Apex now. Hannah from Helios said that it seems like the connection is kind of spotty for some people right now. So be careful out there. And nice move up. So yeah, I definitely should have reversed there. Gotta be careful. I just thought, it came down, popped back up, and came down. I felt like it was a down, up, down move. But I was wrong, Ox. Oh, now it's trying again. Do I dare try again? Down, up, down, up, down. Got 9 minutes to go on the stream. Ooh, big move. 3.5 points. You're expecting that to bounce back up on the next candle if it doesn't before. 5 seconds to go. Big candle down. 5 points. Let's see if it bounces. Fiber optic for what? Crypticon? Oh, that's just when I decide to end it because I don't want to stream all day. I think YouTube's limit on a stream is 12 hours. I just decide to end streams at 10 o'clock my time so I can do other things because streaming pays me like nothing. Yep. See, now that trigger candle would have worked. Of course it would have worked. Yeah, right now I'm averaging, let's see here. Let's look at YouTube. Analytics. Revenue. Let's see. Over the last week, I got $1.16 on Monday, 72 cents on Tuesday, 81 cents on Wednesday. Week before that, I got 68 cents, 78 cents, 60 cents, 64 cents. So that's all I get. So I gotta do other stuff with my day since to make money since I no longer have sponsors for the stream or anything like that. It was Share Vision money. But yeah, Crypticon, you remember I've done 8-9 hour streams for FOMC and London session / non-farm payroll. But right now, I mean, I can get affiliate commissions if people, buy through a link or whatever. But yeah, that ends up being about, the best month I ever did on NinjaTrader with the affiliate link was like 120 bucks. Yeah, I'm really careful with not making sure no music or anything gets heard, so I don't get nailed with a copyright violation. And what do you mean I'm not a good singer? They're having rhythmic issues. Apparently, Chef, you haven't taken any trades at all, or Definitely. Let me know exactly what's going on, and then I'll direct you to the right department. A lot of people complaining right now on the Earn to Trade Earn to Trade Discord. Just not sure if they're talking about Earn to Trade or Apex. Uh, so the only rule that says it means you could have broken it is too many contracts. Check your orders on Ninja and see how many contracts were on an order. Make sure. Look at your Ninja executions and make sure it was only 3. Popping back up now. Nice bounce. Oh boy, this is not. This is either gonna be really good or really bad. What, Crypticon? I'm gonna assume this is good. Ooh, that was a reversal candle. Nice. We're all waiting here with bated breath here, Crypticon. You just did something with 17 contracts across 5 accounts, didn't you? Another move down after that nice reversal candle there. Crypticon, please let me know. I'm sitting here waiting. You're just sitting here waiting for you to tell us what just happened. I was thinking that. I'll wait a couple minutes past this stream end, but not gonna wait too much longer there, Crypt. Chef, did you get any resolution there? Did you check your orders? Okay, let us know in the Discord, Chef, what they say. Oh, well, that's very nice, Crypticon. That worked out. You got to be careful of that, though, Crypticon. I have no idea how a trade copier works, but make sure you're closing everything out. I just saw someone that lost a funded account, not with a trade copier, but just they forgot to leave an order. They forgot to close out an order, and it ended up hitting their max loss overnight. So make sure you're closing out your orders. I always tell people that the best trade I ever did when I was back on Top Step when I first started trading futures, I left the limit order on without realizing it and woke up to being up $750 because the limit order filled. So best trade I ever did at that point in time, I did in my sleep. Wow, big move down here. So waiting for Crypticon, we got to see this move down. 3.5 points, and Q dropping like a rock as well. 20 points. So this was, it kind of double topped here and then whoosh. And this would have been, this is a big whoosh. I think this is a new low of day whoosh. Nope, not quite. New low of day is 561. Yes. Trying to push down. I believe its low of day was back here, 39.64. But sudden movement down real quickly. I'll check news. See if there was something that popped there. Oh, not seeing anything. Are you going to do this to me again, Crypticon? Okay, well, just tell us as we watch the market fall. Because I have other things I would like to do to my day-to-day. Well, not really, but, I got to earn some money. Money is good. Unless you want to donate a whole bunch of your money to me so I don't have to, work. Wow, new low a day. There's that getting close to that 55 level that Chris talked about earlier. Great job. That's excellent, Crypticon. So how close are you to passing those evals now? You didn't. I remember you saying what size you got of the Apex Crypticon. Okay. So you got the biggins. All right, folks. That's what we're gonna call it for today. Before Crypticon goes into another yellow trade. Hope everyone has a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day. Bye. If I can find my streaming software. There it goes. See you, John. See you, Ace.
Thank everyone for joining me today.
See you, Chris.
If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.